Currently, Kenyans feel the country is headed at a wrong direction at 61%. If you compare that with last year, December, same period, it was at 55%. So we see a change of 7% from last year, meaning people are feeling the heat. In as much as there's a bit of a 2% increment for those that feel the country is headed in the right direction, that statistically is a bit insignificant, though it moved from 16% last year to 18%. Then of course we can see a number of people before now had felt that the country is right, no wrong direction. You can see that it's about 17% currently. One aspect that has really hammered a lot is the high cost of living and unemployment, coupled with poverty and increase in taxation. I think since the regime came in power, there's been a lot of issues to do with taxation or introduction of new taxes. Based on our poll, this is the result. And from the presidency or the president as a person, he has an overall performance of 47%. And if you are a teacher, that student is graded at D, mean grade D, who also has underperformed and has that grade. Grade E. Then of course collectively cabinet secretaries have a performance of 43% based on the grading system.